Hello, my name is Rosaline and I'm from Ireland. I was very pleasantly surprised. I didn't know what to expect, just like everybody else that came here, and I feel very protected here, very safe, more so than I have anywhere else I think ever before, which was a very strange but very welcome and warming feeling for me. It really feels like a family. They told us at the start, think of us as your family, and I really have done throughout the whole course. I think this course has completely just blown my mind. I find it so fascinating, and I really just wasn't expecting everything that came with it. I had looked up before what the daily schedule would be, the philosophy, the anatomy, but I didn't know exactly what that would entail and how it's all brought together. It almost seems like magic, but it's science, and it's yogic science, and it makes sense, and it's just made me realise how much more I really need to learn about yoga. The teachers are amazing. They know so much. They're so wise and worldly, and a lot of them are so young as well, and yet they're so dedicated, so disciplined, and they're such good fun. You know, we can relate to them so easily. They're strict but fair, and we have fun with them. And I feel sorry for all the other yoga schools who don't have the teachers that we have, because I think they're missing out. Grateful to them. They've really looked after us. The food here is amazing. They go out of their way to do everything that they can. They've really looked after anybody that's got sick here. If we have requests, they deal with it, and they just look after us so well, and I feel so grateful. They've taken us away on trips, and I feel like a little family when we go away on our holidays on Sundays, and we go with our parents up to the temple or whatever. But yeah, they're amazing, and I'm so glad, I'm so grateful for the scholarship. Thank you so much.